Hi everyone, hope you are fine and doing better. Today I am here with a new video in which I will explain you about if you are not receiving the notifications in your device Vivo or T1 5G, how you can solve this problem. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move towards our video. If you are having any issue regarding your notifications you are not receiving or any such issue, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in my video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the notification problem in your device Vivo T1 5G.